Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. Today's video is a new wig. It's one of Outre's The Daily Wigs, and this is the new one in Roxanna. And this one is in a color 1B. I loved how the blonde color looked on the model, but that option wasn't available, so I figured let's just go with a 1B. So this video is sponsored by Wig Types, so thank you so much Wig Types for sending over this wig. So these daily wigs are super easy to style, no lace to cut. The lace is already cut for you. The parting is very much defined, and you do get an elastic band, adjustable straps, a comb on either side, and a comb in the back. So I just adjusted the straps to the tightest that they could go, and I put my black wig cap on and went ahead and popped the wig on. Now the parting space is pretty dense, and the front hairline is pretty dense as well, but you can easily just pull out a little bit of your hairline in the front, and it definitely allows you to disguise that. Okay, it's giving rich auntie. Where's my fur? It's giving rich auntie. Where's my Louis Vuitton bag? Garçon.
Pass the Grey Poupon.
Pass the Grey Poupon. It's giving wealthy in class, okay?
Where do you want to put these?
All right, it's giving, we don't wear our hair long. We're aunties around here, and we wear short crop sexy styles. And we're giving it to them, okay, all day.
That part not white. You're going to put some with some tin on it?
Oh, definitely.
Okay, outside of that, it's good.
Yes. Yes. Butler. I can't wait till I'm wealthy enough to live the life I'm meant to live. This will be my go-to wig. This is the preview. I'll be somewhere in the Maldives wearing this wig.
That came up on my thing. I got a whole email from them. Come on, you need a getaway trip? I was like, well,
yes, I do.
I do, Gmail. Yes, I need a damn
book it, honey. Book.
That's what, $2,999.
Period. Book it.
All inclusive. Starting from 5 nights.
Is that all? Book it 10 times. We'll go for a month.
Me and my girls, we deserve a trip.
My daughter has all adult hairs, no baby hairs, and I got too many baby hairs. Genevieve's hair is just long. Her baby hairs come down here. I was like, Genevieve, why are we doing this? Why are we leaving your baby hairs out? You don't even have baby. You don't own baby hairs.
You just got edges.
Full grown, long hair. I like this.
I do too.
I really like this. Even though it's giving wig, I still don't care. Like, it's cute.
It's not too much though. You know what I mean? It's not like a puffy,
yeah,
whatever wig.
I like it.
It's not.
All right, I'm about to change my shirt. I'm about to put on my auntie fur. Hey, I'm gonna give it to y'all for real before I do this outro. I'm getting real fancy out here.
Watch, next thing we know, 2 hours from now. What y'all doing? Let's go to a happy hour.
I know. Makeup done.
I'm over here.
I don't want to waste this space. I don't want to waste this space. Y'all know I don't be wanting to waste the face. Right. Y'all already you know the vibes. You know the vibes. When I got my Cuban link on, I don't know how to act. Okay?
Oh my God.
And you see these rhinestone earrings, you see it. Alright you guys, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check the links down below if you want to grab this wig from Wig Types, and share this video with a friend. Peace out.